Oh my God. Soldier's in the house.
Singing.
So this one's kind of tricky. We head into girl talk. The lovers died.
Sad.
The marriage has come to an end.
Sad.
But not on paper. So today on Girl Talk, is it okay to date while you're separated but not divorced?
3 words.
3 words?
Life goes on.
Okay. Okay. That
Is
was,
it?
Yeah.
What do you say?
I don't know. We always come in some cut and dry things, and life, you know, just black and white. So, you
No,
know.
definitely not. Definitely
Because,
not. That's the only kid
all right,
about
so
that.
make we start with what she have first. Let me tell you everything. Because suppose you divorce from somebody where they are England. We run up. You're married to somebody.
And
We
you
run
run
off
off.
Ghana, England, and you not see them for about 10
And you
years.
can't divorce
So what you have to do?
on paper.
What you have to do?
Life goes on, and my 3 words that for that, life goes
So I
on.
think the
But
circumstances
the
will
problem
dictate.
therefore arises if you decide that you would like to marry to this person who is now dating, because you can't marry. Because you're married already.
Yeah.
So what you do? Is there a point to it? Do you continue dating the person? You know, just go along a date, so? Without no finality to it or end point?
I would have to wait until Arrow gets a full divorce.
I already don't plan to divorce him, wife.
No, my wife plan to divorce Arrow.
So you're going to date Arrow forever?
Happiness. My best bet is Soldier Sheffield.
No, Sheffield, nobody go that direction.
Soldier said, okay, all right. Now, let's say, talk about things Chaos has. The person isn't emotionally ready to get into a relationship because the wounds are still raw and they're either still in shock or mourning the end of their marriage.
Yeah, I think there's a time limit. You don't think so? Like, right after a person gets out of a relationship / marriage, I don't think, like, in a month, 2 months, 3 months, you should have just jump on the one wagon and try run on.
Saki, I think it depends on the individual. Because some people, I mean, if you're not married for 5 years and it was over from year 1.
So you say
By the
you had
time
4 years to separate.
Yeah, by the time you're separated, it's done. But there are people who, 10 years after, I know
Still have
women who
mourn.
still wear their
Wedding band.
wedding rings. Yeah.
That
And
not
the
done.
husband has, and the divorce happened, and the husband move on.
Wow.
And married, and them still connected that kind of way.
Them need some
So I think
counseling.
there are a few signs that will tell you
Them can call
whether this
miscase.
person is, you know, and then you don't want to be kind of a bounce back either. You don't want to be,
The rebound.
yeah,
girl
look what
or
me going to show
guy.
him saying, he can go on with him, Mrs. Well, watch him, you're going to find somebody if he's fighting. No.
You know, they call those people wing walkers, people who aren't able to separate themselves from one relationship to the next. You know, you're in a relationship, you run out of a relationship and jump in the next one. You run out and jump in the next one. Whether it's a marriage or a relationship, you have to give yourself some space. Some space to separate your heart and your mind. And whether your finances, your house, all of them, something separate. Just separate. And give yourself some time.
Because sometimes, too, if the marriage end last month, and by this month, we're not tight.
You did that go on from
means-
before the marriage.
Means
Somebody
something
did
did
that go on.
overlap somewhere. So, yeah, me know, yeah.
What the next point says, if the person is still living with their ex, is it appropriate to date the person while they're still living in the same house?
Knock
No,
your head.
no, hold on. I know some marriages that done for years, and because they don't want to go through the financial stress of separating their finances, because everything intertwined, pick the money, feed them money, every money, house money, all that, they just don't bother to move out. Like one live on one floor, one live on
No,
one
sir.
next floor, and then
No,
them,
Sakina,
but
me
they're
not depend on
separated.
that.
So you can imagine I walk past your wife
Yeah, me now walk past
with
her.
a next woman, I walk past your
No,
husband with a
sir.
next man.
Look here, if you you got the woman house and the woman do your something.
Oh no, that's just my husband. Don't
No
worry
bother
about
with
it.
your stand call police because you call it down upon yourself.
You can imagine just, don't worry about that. This is my husband. Don't worry about him. He's, yeah.
No, sir.
In what
Me
life?
think, no, sir. I think that might be a little disrespectful.
Little?
More than nervous.
That is
more
an
than nervous.
understatement.
Won't even drink a glass of water in the house. Because me not,
Straight
you know,
poison.
sir. More than nervous. Arrow, I couldn't. I would have want to sleep and I wouldn't lock me out.
Get too much
Yeah.
stick.
No, sir.
What's the third point?
Yeah,
Now,
the fear that since the couple isn't officially divorced, they might end up getting back together.
How foolish is
Yes.
that? Stop
No.
foolishness. Any ex can get back together. Yeah, my granny always used to say, old fire stick, easy
It's
to catch.
true.
So but it don't matter them could have get back together at any point in time. You could have been the middle relationship, you could have been the third relationship. If them still have feelings for each other 10 years down the road, it's possible that I know someone that you know that got married again to them ex. So
10 years
it's
down the
10
road.
years later. So it's possible.
So the challenge is,
It's about
do
an
you
emotional separation.
do you invest
Dum, dum,
in
dum.
that? And then every day you wonder if them
I
are
go
go back
back.
to them wife. Me don't know about
Me not
that.
depend that.
Me don't think so.
No, thank you.
Me not
Oh,
think
you
so.
separated, not divorced? No, thanks. I'm good.
That's true, but who cares? That's temporary. My opinion is that for most people, by the time their divorce is final, they've been checked out for so long, the only thing you feel is relief, finality, and perhaps a little sadness. No, darling.
Not everybody.
A lie, I tell
Just
not
like you
what's up.
said, there's some women or men who
What?
still
And
invest in-
Jamaican woman long suffering, you know. They long suffering bad.
Well, apparently.
Some of them
they
here,
never
they
ban
say
you.
them married, and you ask them which part the husband they from. Him got no man the airport. From Jamaica get independence, them never get a letter, never get a email.
And them still have
never,
it.
and them still sit
Oh,
down and
Janice,
wait.
you come back,
And
man.
if that man come back next
And them
year,
husband again.
yeah, if after retirement,
FYI.
them
I
say,
don't
I'm my husband, what me fi do? Just
Yeah,
Jamaican woman,
I know what you must do.
Come
Call
and
me
take
and I'll
it.
tell you exactly what to do. I'll tell you exactly where to go. Call Miss Kess and make sure you give somebody
I
online.
take it on. Landia wrap up. I don't know why she wrap up. I give the people them good advice. Anyway,
She said if you done the show.
we're going to take a break. When we come back, Aisha is going to wrap us up.
Yeah,
For
for real.
going at the
wrap us
woman
up.
house. Find the woman living there, don't go there.